Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot attribution in multi-touch reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To configure HubSpot attribution in multi-touch reporting, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Reports section in the main dashboard. Click on Attribution in the drop-down menu. Select Multi-touch attribution from the options available. Now, choose the type of attribution model you wish to use. HubSpot offers models like first interaction, last interaction, and linear. Each model serves a unique purpose, so select the one that aligns with your reporting goals. Next, define the time frame for your reporting. This can range from the last month to the entire year, depending on your analytics needs. Once you have set the time frame, click on Apply Filters to update your data view. You can further refine your results by adding additional filters. Consider filtering by campaign type, lifecycle stage, or specific marketing channels. After adjusting the filters, review the results shown on the screen. You will see how different touchpoints contributed to conversions. To gain deeper insights, hover over the data points for detailed breakdowns. Next, if you want to save this report, click on the Save button located in the top right corner. Fill in the report name and select any specific folders for organization. Click Save again to finalize your new report. You now have a customized multi-touch attribution report in HubSpot. Review this report regularly to assess the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Keep in mind, you can edit or delete saved reports anytime for ongoing adjustments. Regular updates to your attribution model may be necessary based on changing business goals. This will ensure your marketing efforts remain aligned with your company objectives. Finally, utilize these insights to drive informed decision-making within your marketing teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.